Hello my viewers, welcome to our online tutorial. Today we are going to see how we can factorize the quadratic equation. So we have the question given. They say solve the following: x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0, and x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0, and the last one, x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we are going to see how we can use a factorization method to solve this equation. Now, solution. So let us start with number one, which say x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. But before we start, if you do not subscribe, please subscribe and share our video for more, for the others to benefit and you also. So now, to use factorization method, we have to consider two things here. We have to consider the coefficient of x and our constant. Yeah, our constant is 12. Now we have to find the number that if we multiply is going to give us 12, and if we added those number will give us 17. If we look at it, we have to find the number that if we multiply those numbers, they will give us 12. And if we added the number, they will give us 7. Those numbers will be what? The factors of 12. The factors of 12, we have 12 and 1. If you multiply 12 and 1, you are going to have 12. But if you added 12 and 1, they will not give you 12, they will give you 13. I hope we are following. What are the remaining factors? So the remaining factors we have 6 and 2. Are we following? And we also have 3 and 4. So you see, if we multiply 6 and 2, it will give us 12 also. But if we added the numbers, they will give us 7. If we added 3 and 4, they will give us 7. Are we following? And if we multiply, they will give us 12. Definitely, these are the factors that we have to use. So to use this factor, we have to expand. So because we are using the method of trial and expansion. So we have an extending, sorry. So we have to now say this one is the same as x squared. Are we following? X squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. You can see now if you added 3x plus 4x will give you 7x. So we have to look at these two terms and this one also respectively. So to look at this one, we have x squared and we have 3x. We have to factor out the common here. The common we have is the x. So we have to factor out x and open bracket. So we say x into x squared, it goes one time and leave x. Are we following? So x into 3x, it goes one time and leave 3 also. Are we following? So we are now through with these two terms. Then we look for the next term. What is coming between 4x and 12x? The common here is what? Is 3. Is 4. Can you see it? 4 into 4x, it goes one time and leave x. So here 4 into 12, it goes 3 times. By looking at this, the same bracket, you know that you are right. So the next thing, you have to take one of the brackets. We have to take one of our brackets. Let me use this side. We have to use one of the brackets. So we say x plus 3. Then we open another bracket. Those numbers outside the bracket, we put them in one bracket also. X plus 4 is equals to 0. We now factorize this very equation. So, but we are asked to solve the equation. To solve it means that we have to find the value of x. That is, we solve it. But to factorize, we are now through with the factorization. Are we following? So to solve it, we have to look at it. We have x plus 3 times x plus 4 is equals to 0. Definitely, either x plus 3 or x plus 4 must be 0 for it to satisfy the equation. So therefore, we have x plus 3 is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0. Can we say it? Here, this 3 will now go to another side. If it change the location to give us x is equals to minus 3. Are we following? So here also this 4 will now cross the equal sign. So here we have x is equals to, if it go to another side, it become negative. Also, we have x is equals to minus 4. So either x is equals to minus 3 or x is equals to minus 4 satisfy our equation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. We are going to see the next question. Can we see it? Can we see it now, or we can stop here? Or maybe we'll see it in our next video. Please follow us and subscribe to our channel. This is all you will have from me for today. And I will see you in the next class. In the next class, we are going to see our next question. Thank you for watching. Thank you.